Ẹ káàbọ̀ and welcome to today's lesson. In Yoruba language, proper pronunciation of words is important so that the message is received the way you intended. Proper pronunciation is also important because when you look at the Yoruba alphabet, you will see 3 pairs of letters that look similar, with one having a mark underneath it. This mark makes a huge difference in the pronunciation and meaning of words. In this lesson, we will focus on this pair of letters, pronounced A and E. These 2 words have the letters A and E at the end of the word. They have different meanings. The first one is Ile, which means house, and the second one is Ile, which means land. Note the difference in meaning and the pronunciation. Let's make a sentence using these 2 words in the sentence. Ó kọ́ ilé sí orí ilẹ̀ rẹ̀. She built a house on her land. Let's look at more examples of words that have A and E. First, we have the word eyi, then eyin. Eyin is teeth, eyin is egg. Next, we have Ede. Ede means language. Ede Yoruba means Yoruba language. Next is Ede. Ede is a place in southwestern part of Nigeria. Aje means wealth, and Aje, witch. And next is Eko. Eko is also Lagos is a place in Nigeria. Eko means learning. Onko Eko ni Eko. She's learning in Lagos. Ile, house, and Ile, land. Note the differences in pronunciations and the meaning of the words. So words that start with eja, fish. Elede, that's a lot of in this word. Elede, pig. Enu means mouth. Words with ete, lips. Eji means 2. Then eta starts with means 3. Eji, eta. Esheun means thank you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Come back for more. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button and share the video.